Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video I'll be doing some garden maintenance, so come along and let's get it done. Now I'm going to take that wooden box out and I'm going to put that soil all in here. I'm not sure what was eating on my broccoli. You can see all that holes here is probably aphids. Go see how the Brussels sprout looks as well. See, maybe I can still save this one, but yeah, I'm gonna take now all of it out and put it over the soil and that, and see what broccoli and the Brussels sprout, if I can save it still. So that is now done. It's all filled up with the soil and that. So I'm maybe thinking now I'm gonna move this till there, and I'll put that other grow bags around here. So I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, so this is how it looks now. So this box is giving in, so I'm gonna get rid of it now. I'm gonna chop it up and then I'm gonna take all of this out. Hopefully I can save the 2 chili trees. Then I'm gonna harvest it and put it maybe in one of this type of buckets, and then I'll have more space. Then I'll have more space for more buckets to grow these stuff. So yeah, let me get busy with that. Okay, let's see how much of this beetroot we can save as well, because there's so much ants also in here. That's why I also want to get rid of this box. So I harvest all of the chilies of this one, the green ones as well, but this one I only took the red ones off and I left the green ones still on, because there was a lot of chilies here. This bag is like heavy. So yeah, that's why I just took of that off, and I'll leave my that on, and I'm gonna now take the beetroot out and plant them somewhere else, and hopefully they still make it. Okay, so that is now almost empty. There's the one tree in there, there's the other tree, and the two have massive roots, so I'm gonna try to get them both in this one and see how it works. The box, so I'm gonna leave that logs there and just put the pots on top of that. And there was so much ants, there's still ants walking on me right now. So yeah, just gonna clean up here now, and then yeah, I don't know what else to do. Okay, so that area is cleared up now. Here's the logs. So 2 of it broke, that one there and this one over here. But yeah, I'm gonna put that 2 logs back here and pack some few plants there, and then you can see how it goes from there again. Okay, so here's the beetroot, it's all out, so I'm gonna plant it there in, and I'm gonna wait so a week or 2 to see if it adjusts, and then yeah, if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna take them out. Since I replanted the beetroot, you can see this one is still fine, but the rest doesn't look too good. So I think I'm just gonna take that out, and I'm sure I can replant this one again, because I'm gonna put them all in black buckets now. And there's 2 chili trees is also gonna go in their own black buckets, and this one is already in here. They just need water and they will recover, the chili trees. All the buckets, there's 3 have already holes, the others I must still put drill holes in them and then fill them up with soil, and then I'm sorted out, and then I'm gonna water everything and then fertilize also. Now I see why that beetroot will grow. Can you see over here the new roots that came out? So I'm gonna plant them in here now and just water them, and I'm gonna leave the leaves on until new leaves come, then I'll cut the old leaves off. So yeah, let me get that planted quickly. So I'm gonna be emptying this one also and added more in other black bins that I got. Okay, so I filled now that 4 up. Actually that 3 and that 2 was from the other stuff. So I'll just pack them all here. And those onions came out of a green bag, so I'm gonna replant them now in here next to the other onions. Okay, so I've got that all planted in there now. So the next thing is going to trim down those chili trees, because obviously when I replanted them they did die down, but they will come back once they have a nice haircut, and then yeah, then I'm just gonna fertilize them and they'll come back in the next few months or so. Okay, so they trimmed down now, so I just need to fertilize and water them, and it is 2 days after I planted the beetroot, so yeah, they're now back and they're doing very good again. So I just need to cut off the old leaves what is dying down there, and then they will regrow properly. So I just want to sort out some of the chili trees because this one is leaning over, but I have sticks here that I'm going to put in there and tie it up to get weeds out, and the tomato. And I'm going to get rid of the cauliflowers because the aphids did destroy that, so I don't think that is even worth it anymore. But I'm going to leave the roots obviously in, and I'm just going to pack it right there again. Okay, so I've got my compost over here, so I'm going to first fertilize it with compost. So I'm going to start off with the chilies first. Cover the whole top of it. Take my marigolds out here so long. And then I'm gonna go do the others now. Okay, so I got the chilies done, and the 3 trees over there is done also, so I'm just gonna do the rest now. Okay, so far everything got this compost in now. The next I'm putting is the root fertilizer to help stabilize the roots, and some of it don't yet have compost. I'm still add in here, but I'm only gonna do that when I'm gonna plant something in there, then I'll add the compost in there. Okay, so I did add compost now to everything, and I did water it. I used all of this, so overnight I was dripping and it watered all the plants. Okay, so I'm gonna add now the pellets. Those pellets help with the root crops mostly, and with other plants, any type of plants like chili trees or so, just help establish the roots much better. But it is a slow fertilizer, so it will take about 4 weeks. That's why you must fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna add of this now. So as you can see, the beetroot is doing good, so I'm gonna add a cup of this to each of the plants. So each bucket is gonna get 1 scoop of this, and then the trees over here, the bigger pots, is gonna get 2 scoops. I'm gonna add in here first. So thank you for watching. I know this video's been all over the place with all the cutting and that and doing the different stuff, but when you're doing garden maintenance, you're always busy with different things. You don't always focus on the one side. So once you're busy with one thing, you want to go do another thing. But yeah, thank you for watching always. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be down below in the description. If you would like to feature in my next video, you can just tag me in a photo of your garden, and it will be in the next video. If you like, if you don't have to do it. And if you want to help the channel out, you can share this video, you can like it, and you can comment down below. And you can also comment anything else you would like to know, or if you like this type of videos, or you want different type of videos in the future that I can work on, then just comment down below what you like to see. And also, if you like to help the channel out, you can become a member or send super thanks. And I do appreciate everyone that's always commenting on my videos, liking my videos, and coming back to watch what I upload next. Thank you very much. Backyard out.